Welcome, car enthusiasts and savvy shoppers. Are you thinking about buying a new car in 2025? Hold that thought, because today we're diving deep into the automotive world to reveal the four cars you absolutely must avoid and the three shining stars you should seriously consider. We're talking about your hard-earned money, your daily commute, and your peace of mind. And to make sure you're getting the most accurate, unbiased information, we're backing every claim with solid data from the most trusted source in automotive reliability, Consumer Reports. So, buckle up, because this isn't just another car review. This is your essential 2025 car buyer's guide. Let's kick things off with the vehicles that, according to extensive data from Consumer Reports, are likely to cause you more headaches than happiness. These aren't just minor inconveniences. We're talking about significant reliability issues that can lead to costly repairs and frustrating ownership experiences. Remember, a new car should bring freedom, not frequent trips to the service center. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. First up, with a dismal reliability score of just 14 out of 100, is the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, Reference 1. While the idea of a fuel-efficient minivan is appealing, Consumer Reports data indicates persistent problems, particularly with its electric/hybrid battery and charging systems. Imagine being stranded or constantly worrying about your battery's health. That's the reality many Pacifica Hybrid owners might face. This isn't just about saving at the pump. It's about the hidden costs and stress of an unreliable vehicle. Volkswagen Taos. Next on our list of cars to steer clear of is the Volkswagen Taos, scoring a mere 18 out of 100 for reliability, Reference 1. This compact sport utility vehicle, while initially attractive for its size and price, has shown a concerning pattern of issues across multiple critical areas. Owners have reported problems with its brakes, electrical accessories, and even the transmission and engine. These aren't minor glitches. They're fundamental components that can severely impact your driving experience and safety. When you buy a new car, you expect dependability, and unfortunately, the Taos falls short. Ford F-150 Hybrid. Coming in with a reliability score of 19 out of 100, we have the Ford F-150 Hybrid, Reference 1. The F-150 is a legendary truck, but its hybrid variant has struggled with its complex systems. Consumer Reports highlights issues with the transmission electric system and the hybrid battery itself. For a vehicle designed to be a workhorse, unexpected downtime due to these problems can be incredibly disruptive and expensive. It's a stark reminder that even established models can have significant growing pains when new technologies are introduced. Volvo XC60 plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Finally, rounding out our list of cars to avoid is the Volvo XC60 plug-in hybrid electric vehicle with a reliability score of 21 out of 100, Reference 1. Volvo is known for safety and luxury, but the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle version of the XC60 has faced challenges, particularly with its electric vehicle battery, charging systems, and electrical accessories. While the allure of a luxurious, eco-friendly sport utility vehicle is strong, the reported reliability concerns suggest that the advanced technology might not be as refined as one would hope, leading to potential frustrations for owners seeking a seamless experience. Now, before you get too discouraged, remember that these are just a few outliers. The automotive market is vast, and there are plenty of fantastic options out there. And that brings us to the exciting part: the cars that truly stand out for their reliability, performance, and overall value. Now for the good news. These are the vehicles that consistently impress, offering a blend of reliability, performance, and owner satisfaction that makes them truly stand out in 2025. When you invest in one of these, you're not just buying a car. You're buying peace of mind and years of enjoyable driving. Toyota Camry Hybrid. Our first top pick, a perennial favorite that continues to evolve and impress, is the Toyota Camry Hybrid. Toyota has once again proven why it's a leader in reliability, and the 2025 Camry Hybrid is a testament to that. Consumer Reports praises its comfortable ride, intuitive controls, and exceptional fuel economy, achieving an impressive 48 miles per gallon overall in their tests, Reference 1. It's not just about efficiency. The Camry Hybrid also offers a more engaging driving experience, striking a perfect balance between sharp handling and a smooth, quiet ride. This car is a smart choice for anyone seeking a dependable, economical, and enjoyable daily driver that holds its value remarkably well. Lexus NX 350h or NX 450h Plus. Next up, for those seeking a premium experience with eco-conscious efficiency, we highly recommend the Lexus NX 350h or NX 450h Plus. Lexus, Toyota's luxury division, consistently ranks at the top for reliability, and the NX hybrid models are no exception. Consumer Reports highlights the NX's plush, well-appointed cabin, straightforward infotainment system, and refined driving dynamics. Reference 1. The NX 350h delivers an excellent 38 miles per gallon overall, while the NX 450h Plus plug-in hybrid electric vehicle offers an impressive 37-mile electric-only range, making it ideal for daily commutes on pure electric power. This sport utility vehicle combines luxury, advanced technology, and the legendary reliability of Toyota, making it a fantastic investment for discerning buyers. Ford Maverick Hybrid. Finally, for those who need versatility and efficiency in a compact package, look no further than the Ford Maverick Hybrid. This innovative compact truck has quickly become a Consumer Reports favorite, earning accolades for its fun-to-drive nature, impressive fuel economy, and practical design. Reference 1. The hybrid version, in particular, achieved a stunning 37 miles per gallon overall in Consumer Reports tests, making it an incredibly economical choice for a truck. The Maverick Hybrid offers a comfortable interior, easy access, and simple controls, proving that you don't need a massive, gas-guzzling truck for everyday utility. It's a refreshing and highly recommended alternative for those who appreciate smart design and exceptional value. So, there you have it, our comprehensive breakdown of the cars to avoid and the best ones to buy in 2025, all backed by the rigorous testing and extensive data from Consumer Reports. Making an informed decision about your next vehicle is crucial, and we hope this guide empowers you to choose wisely. Choosing a new car is one of the biggest financial decisions many of us make. It's not just about the initial purchase price, but the long-term costs of ownership, including maintenance, repairs, and fuel. That's why relying on independent, data-driven research from organizations like Consumer Reports is absolutely vital. Their meticulous testing and vast member surveys provide an invaluable resource, cutting through the marketing hype to give you the real story on vehicle reliability and performance. We've seen how some vehicles, despite their initial appeal, can become a drain on your wallet and your patience due to persistent issues. Conversely, we've highlighted models that consistently deliver on their promise of reliability, efficiency, and driving pleasure. These are the cars that will serve you well for years to come, minimizing unexpected costs and maximizing your satisfaction. Before you make your next big automotive purchase, we urge you to do your homework. Visit consumerreports.org, read their detailed reviews, and compare models that fit your lifestyle and budget. An informed decision today can save you thousands of dollars and countless headaches down the road. Don't let flashy advertisements or persuasive salespeople sway you from the facts. Trust the data, trust the experts, and trust your own research. What are your thoughts on these cars? Do you own one of the models we discussed? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your insights are incredibly valuable to our community. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more essential car buying advice, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world of automotive excellence. Drive safe, drive smart, and we'll see you in the next video.